don't want to do it on Nightmare.
Yeah, see,
like
no one
this.
wants to do it on Nightmare.
I'm already scared. Is this you, Transformers?
Yeah, what's up? What is that? Okay,
me and him are sticking together.
Fine, I'll
You
say
guys
I
just
think
on
this is
fire.
Melvin. Melvin, is that you?
Ronald McDonald's!
What the hell is he? Like, is he Shaggy?
I think he's Ronald McDonald. Follow the leader!
Wait,
Who's the
who's the leader? Not me.
I can't lead. I have a disorder.
I have a disease. If I lead, I scream and no! Oh my god. I'm scared.
You have blue freaking, like, rain boots on. Where are you going, Melvin? Are you leaving us already?
Follow the leader. What are we doing? What are we doing? Are we ready to die?
Please don't leave! Where are you going? No!
From what? Oh, I was like, what's going on here?
No! Flip, where are you going? Where are you going? We're all back here.
I thought I was leading, but I don't have a problem with Flip leading, or am I still leading? Alright, I'll lead. I hate my life. My life hates me.
I hate this game. Guys, hey, I'm sticking with you. Buddies, hey, where are you going?
Where are you going? No!
I think it's behind us. Maybe I'm just seeing things. Oh, I think.
Oh god, giant face.
Oh god.
That scared me. Oh, look at this, Dylan. Tell me this doesn't scare you. Just like, lot up. That scared the crap. I thought we were getting invaded by giant aliens.
Can I like just kill my Xbox right now? Can I kill my Xbox? Like?
Oh, I hear a radio.
I hear it too, but I'm scared to find it because then we and
I don't want to find it.
It's over here.
I don't.
Oh my god!
I'm coming.
Am I dead? I can't play this game. I'm going to die. I'm going to die.
Oh my god!
Is this an option
Where's the
of
radio?
death?
Melvin, you already get it?
I don't want to play this. I don't want to play this. Game over button. I'm going to click the game over
Wait,
button.
where's Melvin? Where's Flip? Where's Flip?
Ah! Son! I'm dying! Come on, I'm dead.
Alright.
Call 911. Call 911. Call 911. Call 911. Wait up! I'm slow.
Okay.
I'm going to die.
I'm coming.
I'm going to die. Call 911. Call 911.
Did he really just get tired after like 10 seconds of running?
Oh my god!
I can't play this. I have a hard error. I can't play this game after this.
Don't leave me alone!
Wait up for me! No, don't leave me. If you leave me, I'm quitting this game. If you leave me, I'm going to kill you. I want suicide bomb.
Killing.
Where is he? I don't know where he is!
Oh god, I'm going to die. Hey, are they behind us? Are they behind us? Check.
What is what? Oh, bloody boxes. Well, that's something I aspire to avoid. Ooh, an Iron Maiden. Oh, we're just in fucking heaven, huh?
Wait for me! Stop running!
Yeah. Why are we walking through the torch?
Where are you going?
What, Reese?
Where are you going? Why are you trying to kill me? You're trying to give me a heart attack, aren't you? God.
Wait for me! Wait for me! Don't leave me!
Who's leaving you?
What?
Who's behind us? Stop leaving me! I'm going to kill you!
I think it's lagging. What?
Wait up! Okay, I'm gonna turn on my Xbox if you leave me. Leave me. I have my foot ready.
I don't know where anyone is.
I have my foot ready.
I have no
Don't
idea.
I don't know where you are. I can't wait for you.
I mean, I think that would defeat the purpose.
I lost you like a long time
Turn him
ago.
off.
Okay, I can.
Because he broke it. He's an alien. He can do what he wants. There's some really big bloody footprints.
Stop doing circles!
Feet, though.
By the way, my mic's dying again. Turns out the batteries were low, so
Look
once
up,
my
it's
mic
beautiful.
dies again, I'm going to kill myself.
Transformers, look up, it's beautiful.
I don't want to look up because he's probably being like Batman. He's going to jump on my face and kill me.
I don't think Batman jumps on faces.
You know what? Maybe Alien Batman.
Alien Batman might jump on faces. I don't know.
I'm scared. I haven't seen him in a while.
My mic is dying. If it dies one more time, I'm turning off my...
Don't turn off your Xbox. Just go get new batteries. Just keep walking.
It's dying. I can't. If I don't have a mic, I'll give myself a heart attack.
Why? I thought, like, we would make it even worse. Especially me.
No, you're running. That's illegal.
Got behind you, Transformers! Woo! If you look to your left, you'll see your death.
Ooh, really? Okay, I'm gonna... No, I'm falling. No,
Hey,
stop
look,
it.
this is some art right here, guys. Look at this. This is definitely museum art. Ooh, look
It's
at
a
that.
glowing green
What is
thing.
that green thing? Oh my god!
What's the green
Don't
thing?
stare at it! Don't stare at it! Don't stare at it!
Or what? What, this beautiful painting of a foot? Look at this.
Melvin, slow down! Melvin! I know, because you'll
Transformers
die.
just turned his Xbox off. And I see him. That was my left, so fuck off. I'm
Yeah,
with
Tyler,
them.
where are you?
I'm with you guys.
You're not.
Oh, there goes Transformers. I'm right. Wait, whoa. Stop running. I'm right behind freaking wolf.
Oh my god, Melvin! Oh, I see him, he's over there.
I've been right behind you pretty much the entire time. I know, because she can't fucking wait. If I'm not eating dinner the second she fucking makes it, it's like, it's gonna go cold in a split second. I hate that. I told her I'd be right down in a couple minutes.
No,
Hey,
he's
jump
there.
Oh, but I love how you're wearing all yellow and you're still hard as hell to see. He is Shaggy. I am Fred. She is Daphne. Of course I'm tall as hell compared to Shaggy. Shaggy is very short. No, I'm kidding. Hey, I hear a thing. Out of here, I think. Anyone else hear a thing?
Oh, I do. I'm actually just kind of just following you. There's Transformers.
The fucking Transformers left, the lag immediately stopped. I evidently cannot handle more people. I hear Steggy. I hear friggin' or him. I don't know which one it is. Melvin, tell me which one it is, please. Oh, good. The head part of the museum. Wow, it's just... We're gonna have to turn around once we get to the end of this corridor.
I ain't turning around. This is how I'm walking.
Well, I'm better. Yeah, especially, I love how also we're the ones turned around already. You're fine. We just don't tell you he's there. We just keep walking for 10
Oh, that's
minutes.
probably what happened. He probably didn't teleport in front of me. I probably accidentally walked into him. Well, will you please tell us where he's at if you see him? Because I don't want to turn around. This game...
If you look down, you see giant bloody footprints there. If you look to this side, you see some art.
This game is so scary. Oh my god.
Right in front of you is a giant
Shut
stinky
up.
French man with a yellow shirt.
Shut up! No! Why?
There he is! Everyone?
Oh my god, he's still in front of me! Somebody help 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 me!
Where are you? There he is. Come this way.
Help me! I'm coming.
Where's Roman? There you are. Don't you leave me. Fucking do it.
Oh
I hear
my god.
like angry, like him wanting food sounds. I think he's hungry, Melvin. This one was not enough for him.